Just saw the weirdest thing. I'm driving my daughter to school, and I wish I got this on camera. All of these birds start flying across the road in front of me in the weirdest pattern. A pattern that I've never seen birds fly before, and they were pretty low to the ground. And it was weird enough that I was like, Hannah, this is like really strange. Look how the birds are flying. I've never seen birds fly like that. And then I thought, wait a second. It's January 16th and it is 10 degrees outside right now. Why are there even birds flying across the road? I don't know. I'm wondering, are there birds that sometimes don't migrate south? I live in Louisville, Kentucky, so it's kind of southern, but it's pretty cold here. I've never seen birds in winter before. Or is this just some strange anomaly? I mean, I've heard other people say these weird stuff's happening this winter, so maybe just add that up to the weird things that are happening in winter where the birds don't actually migrate south. Then I started looking around to see if I could see any other birds. Oh my gosh, there is literally a hawk. Well, that was weird, although I'm pretty sure hawks don't migrate south. That's not as abnormal to me. But these were little birds, like small songbirds that should not be here in the winter. So is that like, do birds sometimes stay? Or is this just really strange?